Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a song called Mr. Brahms' famous Lullaby. So first, as always, I'm going to play it, then I'm going to teach you. So 3, 2, 1. That's the whole song. So first you put your hand position in this hand position. Then you do A, C. And for the whole song, it's very quiet. Like this quiet. It's not like it's this. So it's A, C, F and A. Then A, C, F and A, C, F, E, D, C, then you transpose. C and E, and you do. Hold this for 2 seconds, then you do, then again. This is the part where you need to press the damper pedal, and then you put your hand on A, then do. On that note, you press the pedal. Then the last note. So that's the whole song. I'm going to redo it and see what we learned. 3, 2, 1. That's what we did. Just so I know, for the whole song, every single note is a slur except for these 2 notes, F and A. Like those 2 notes and those 4 notes, and that's it. Even if there's another A or F, it still has a slur. So leave a like if you like this video, and subscribe if you know. Comment down which song you want me to do next. So, bye guys.